So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-login ng account sa ating WhatsApp. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na meron tayong application ng WhatsApp. So open lang natin guys yung ating WhatsApp. And pagka-open guys, after ma-download, ganito yung lalabas. So tap lang natin dito yung agree and continue. So allow ko lang. And ayan guys, dito lagay lang natin yung phone number na nakaregister sa ating WhatsApp. And then after nyo may lagay yung phone number, tap na natin yung next. And then after nyan guys, dito lagay lang natin yung ating display name or yung gusto nyo mag-appear na name sa inyong WhatsApp. And then after nyan guys, tap natin yung next. And dito naman guys, pwede tayong maglagay ng ating email address, pero pwede nyo din naman niyang i-skip. So tap muna natin yung skip. And ayan guys, nakapag-login na tayo ng account sa ating WhatsApp. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-login ng account sa ating WhatsApp. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.